One of the most common things that people ask about when they come to see me for the first time is about teeth whitening. And whether it's good, whether it's bad, should I do it or should I not? Now, one of the big things, the big concerns with whitening teeth is sensitivity. So maybe you're someone that just has sensitivity in general, you know, to cold or to sweets and things like that. Maybe you have some gum recession. That's a big thing that causes sensitivity. And if you're susceptible to sensitivity, you're probably gonna have increased sensitivity when you do teeth whitening. All right, so most of the products that are out there for whitening are peroxide based, which is fine. For most people, they're actually okay. Your body's okay with peroxides. You're actually making peroxides all the time in your body, throughout your body. So it's generally pretty safe to put on the surface of your teeth. So those white strips that most people buy at the drugstore are actually pretty good. I've used them a lot, and they seem to be quite effective. One downside though, if you do have sensitive gums, those little strips will fold up onto your gums and can actually further impact your sensitivity in your gums. Now, if you want to avoid that, there are custom-made trays that we can do here in the office where we mold trays to your mouth and they fit perfectly along the gum line, so they're not getting onto your gums and causing that same irritation that the strips can cause. So that's also another option. You take them home, use a little gel in the tray, put them in, voila, there's your whitening. So if you're experiencing an increase in the sensitivity, whether it's your gums or your teeth, you know, just scale it back. You know, not as much, slow down. But otherwise, there's no reason to be afraid of it. Go ahead, whiten your teeth.